Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the nature of support and resistance. How support acts when it is broken and how resistance acts when it is broken. Now I'll show you an example of how these support and resistance acts. As you guys can see on the chart that if the price is, let's take an example that the price is consolidating like this. This is a resistance, this is a support. Let's take an example that price is touching this. Here, the price is consolidating between these levels. The market cannot consolidate for more time, like it has to break the high or low to rally in a new direction. Let's take an example here that the market has broken this support. Now, what is the nature of this support is once it is broken, this support will turn into a resistance. And when the price wants to go up, it will resist the price from going up and it will set the price in its direction from where it is coming. Like this support will act as a resistance and it will resist it and again send the price in its original direction like this. Same continuous here for resistance. When the market here is crossing this, it gave a breakout like this. Now, what is the nature of this resistance is? This resistance, once it has been broken, this resistance will act as a support. And after, once the market is coming near this resistance, what is the role of this is? Once it is broken, it will send the market in its original direction. This will act as a support. Now, I'll give you the real examples on chart. Like on the chart, if you see that first one, a trend line. Yes, the trend line which is acting as a resistance. See here, the market broke here. It took rejection from here and went up. See here, if you see rejection, rejection, it gave a breakout here. It came up. This was acting as a resistance zone. See, it went up. Let me show you more examples. This, see here another example of a resistance into a support. See a beautiful example of this. Once it took rejection, rejection. Third time it gave a breakout. Now see the nature of the resistance. See how beautifully it has turned itself into a support. Market has broken this level. See, it has changed its behavior as a support. It took support, went down. Okay, I'll show you a trend example of a trend line. See here, if you see, that's that this trend line is acting as a resistance. As you can see, as a support, sorry, market went up. And when it broke, here it broke. At this candle, it broke. Again, see the support is resisting, acts as a resistant and is resisting that the price should not go up. See, it took rejection from here, which is acting as resistance. Market. How beautifully this is being done. Let's see it. See, here's an example of support here. If you see here, a support market broke here, took rejection, went down. Let's spot one more. Here, if you see, it acted like a small support. This was a resistance. When the market broke this here, it see resistance turns into support. Price went some points up, again went up. There's a concept behind it, but just understand that a resistance a resistance will turn into a support, and a support will turn into a resistance. See here, it's a one more example. The resistance, when the market broke this, it took rejection from him and went down. See how beautifully a resistance is acting as a support. I hope with these examples that you guys have understood the nature of support and resistance and how they change their nature once they have been broken. Thank you for watching.